you've got a Gen 3 system, quite often you have issues with wall sensors giving false temperatures. What we find is that quite often the wall sensors, the batteries corrode, and so when you're pulling them out, if you see any corrosion on the end of the battery or on the PC board terminals or connections, quite often you'll find that what's happened is the batteries have corroded and then damaged the board, and resulting in data not being sent or the incorrect reading or calibration issues with the wall sensor. If that's the case, quite often the result for that is you need to replace that PC board or that wall sensor because that wall sensor is not able to be reused again.
Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful and helpful, give us a thumbs up, because this is the way you're going to be able to make sure that you stay up to date with all the latest content that we produce and give out, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. For those who have a question or want some advice on your situation, please leave a comment below and we're more than happy to help you, or you may even find we do a video just on your topic. So we look forward to your comments. If you want to stay up to date with the latest information that we're providing and doing the videos on, push on the bell so that you can actually get the notification from us every time we upload a new video, because it might be just what you're looking for to make your system a little more efficient or help your clients to have a better outcome with their system. If you're facing some challenges yourself with your system, or you need some support, wiring diagrams, parts, more information or tips on how to get the most from your system, please feel free to go across to our website or our social media channels, and we're happy to talk to you and help you with your situation. The more that you follow, the more content you'll be able to absorb, and we'll be able to help you with your situation. Look forward to helping you soon, and have a great day.